Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodridge, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, Irving Park, Midway Airport, West Ridge, South Shore, Burbank, Melrose Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Palos Hills, Hinsdale, and Westchester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.